We need to increase the airflow on layer 3.
I'm adjusting the intake now. Watch the temperature gauge.
Bill of lading confirms. Go ahead to bay 3 and tell the next driver to wait here.
This batch meets all international standards. We can proceed with packaging.
The flow rate is perfectly stable now. We've minimized the dust without affecting the speed.
High-pressure jets remove impurities, while the rotating rollers guarantee an even wash across the batch.
We need to increase the airflow on layer 3.
I'm adjusting the intake now. Watch the temperature gauge.
Moisture content is 5.2%.
Got it. Log in the data now.
The compressed air jets ensure precision sorting by both size and weight, allowing us to process thousands of nuts per minute.
Calibration looks good on the splitting mechanism.
Yes, the robotic separation is holding at 99% efficiency.
The flow rate on the CNSL looks stable at 200 liters per hour. Noted.
Pressure is holding steady as well.
The temperature is stabilizing now. Good. The airflow is perfectly balanced for the batch.
Look at this spike in the rejected kernels.
Noted. I'm adjusting the parameters on the interface now.
As the heat tunnel secures the packaging, precision robotics finalize the palletization process, ready for immediate transport.
Confirming the customs data for the SG-12 shipment.
Yes, the figures match the manifest.
Everything seems correct here, but let's double check the seals.
The scanner confirms the integrity. We can release the hold.
Why did the cashew break up with the almond? He said it was nothing working out.
That is terrible. Where did you hear that one?
A global network, bringing premium quality cashews from our factory to your table.
We take immense pride in the quality of our cashews. From the moment they arrive, our dedicated team ensures only the very best make it to your table.
A journey spanning continents, bringing the freshest taste of nature directly from our farm to your family.
The synchronization is nearly perfect. Look at the throughput on this batch.
Impressive. But we should monitor the sorting accuracy on the larger kernels.
I am so glad the day is finally over.
Me too. The heat inside was unbearable.
The view is beautiful. Try these, they're delicious.
Save some for me.
Try this one.
Oh wow, that is delicious. So crunchy.